my name is Arjun and welcome back to my channel. I love celebrations and everything that comes with it. And while we're celebrating India's 75 years of independence, I'll be making something very simple that everyone can make it. These delightful coconut laddus are everyone's favorite. So before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. Let's go! This recipe only requires 2 ingredients, desiccated coconut and condensed milk. I'll start by taking a large bowl and I'll add in desiccated coconut. And here I open a can of condensed milk. I'll pour it in and start mixing gradually. I'm making it tricolor, so I'll be dividing it into 3 parts. I'll gently grease my hands. I'll start rolling my laddus. First white. Now I'll roll it in desiccated coconut. Isn't it easy? Now I'll add in some gel food colors for orange and green. To roll out the balls again. Let's give it a try. This 2-ingredient coconut laddu came together in no time. Do give it a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.
Happy Independence Day!